What on earth is an Agile Release Tray? Avatar looks directly at the camera, leaning in slightly with a friendly smile. You've probably heard people talking about an ART, or an Agile Release Train, and wondered, is that a literal train? Or just another fancy corporate buzzword? Think of it like this. You've got a massive project, something so big one small team can't do it alone. You need 50, maybe 100 people all working on the same thing. An Agile Release Train is basically a team of teams. Imagine 10 different groups, each with their own skills. Some are builders, some are designers, some are testers. Instead of working in separate buildings and never talking, they all hop on the same train. They follow one schedule, they have one destination, and they move at the same speed. Every 10 weeks or so, the train hits a major station. We call this a mission cycle. Before the train leaves for the next station, everyone gets together for a big sync-up. They talk about what they're building, map out the tracks ahead, and make sure nobody is going to crash into each other. The best part? It's predictable. You don't have to guess when the next update is coming. The train departs and arrives like clockwork. It stops the big boss from constantly changing the tracks while the train is moving, and it keeps the teams focused on delivering real value, not just busy work. So, it's not a real train, but it is a powerful way to get a huge crowd of people moving in the same direction without the chaos. If that made sense to you, hit those buttons below. I'll see you at the next stop. Quick jargon to English translation for you. If someone asks for more detail, here is how you can explain the technical parts in plain English. Program increment, a chapter or mission, usually 10 to 12 weeks. Release train engineer, the conductor or head coach who makes sure the teams are happy and the path is clear. PI planning, the big kickoff meeting where everyone agrees on the plan. System demo, the show and tell where they prove the stuff actually works.